And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC 26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
No 60s or 50s across the area today. It was much colder this afternoon compared to Tuesday. And tomorrow's going to be even colder. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. All of us will see highs in the 30s for Thursday. We'll see mid-40s return on Friday, and then some 50s make a comeback just in time for the weekend. Highs will be in the lower to mid-50s for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Right now, we are looking at temperatures that are in the 30s, ranging from the mid to the upper 30s across all of northeast Wisconsin, including Appleton, where it's currently 37 degrees. In Green Bay, the temperature is 38, and I just peeked outside. It is snowing lightly here at NBC 26 with northeast winds at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. So after a little bit of sunshine this morning, the clouds have been thickening up throughout the day, and now they're starting to produce some precipitation thanks to our next big weather maker. It's this area of low pressure located across eastern Kansas. It's going to be slowly working east-northeast as we head through the next 24 to 48 hours. You can see we've got a large area of showers and thunderstorms to our south, and then farther north we're looking at rain and now some snow. Here in northeast Wisconsin, you can see from about Green Bay north and west, we're looking at light to occasionally moderate snow, but that snow switches over to some rain south and east of Highway 41, and that is going to be the story as we head through tonight into tomorrow. Rain to snow, back to rain, or a combination. Here's Skycast. Starting at midnight tonight, you can see some rain and snow across the area by tomorrow morning. Some snow mixing with some rain as we move through the late morning and early afternoon. Rain mixing with some snow. And then as the system starts to wrap up tomorrow evening, snow mixing with some rain. Obviously, this makes forecasting snow amounts very, very difficult. Here's a look at why forecasting snow amounts are going to be difficult, besides Skycast, which you just saw. Temperatures will be in the 30s, so it's going to be above freezing. This is not, like the middle of January when you get 6 inches of snow and you have 6 inches on the ground to show for it. This is late March or early April when you can get 4 or 5 inches of snow and not much to show on the ground for it. Here's a look at what the computer models are showing, anywhere from a dusting to as much as 3 to 4 inches across parts of the area. But here is my late season snow disclaimer. I have to pull this out every spring when we're dealing with this kind of storm. We're going to be looking at wet snow, warm air temperatures, and ground temperatures. We'll also have varying snow intensities throughout the event, from light to moderate to heavy. And we're going to have some melting and compressing. Once again, 2 to 3 inches of snowfall may only equal an inch on the ground when all is said and done. So right now, I'm thinking a dusting to a couple of inches for most of the area, but where the precipitation remains mainly snow, or we get some heavier snow for an extended period of time, the totals will be a little bit higher. And these pink areas are not set in stone. They could kind of move around depending on what happens throughout the night into tomorrow. Where we see that snow, we will have some slippery conditions, so keep that in mind if you are traveling. Tonight, rain and or snow. Lows will be in the lower to mid-30s. Tomorrow, rain and or snow and windy. Temps will be in the 30s. That's a far cry from the 50s that we saw yesterday. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 38. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Double Portion. We did that today. I forecast 45, and the actual high temperature was 42 degrees. Decreasing clouds on Friday behind the system and windy, mid-40s. And then sun and clouds and some very nice weather for the second weekend of spring. Temps getting up into the 50s, so even if you do see 2 to 4 inches of snow tomorrow, it's going to be history by Saturday afternoon. But look at that, another system moves in for Tuesday and Wednesday with once again some rain or snow, but that's spring in Wisconsin.
Totally normal at this point.
Yes, totally normal.
All right, sounds great. Thanks, Cameron. Well, most college kids head to